Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, but I'm back today with a new video on how I blow dry my natural hair. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. When I blow dry my hair, I like to use the Texture ID Heat Protectant Oil, and I also use a brush blow dryer. I'm going to start by parting my hair into a few sections, and as you can see I had some leftover conditioner in my hair. But I start by combing out my hair and I put in some of that heat protectant oil. And then right after that, I like to do the tension method with my regular blow dryer. And then after I get it pretty straight, I go in with the brush blow dryer. Using this type of blow dryer is just easier for me, so I don't have to use both my hands to, try to brush out my hair and use blow dryer at the same time. This just makes it easy and simple. And I do use this on medium or high heat. And as you can see, it really gets the job done. My hair is pretty straight. I just continue doing these steps until all of my hair is blow dried and as straight as possible. right here you're gonna see me going with my regular blow dryer and a hard bristle brush. I just do that around the perimeter of my hair so I can make sure that the little hairs in the front get straight. This is just how I blow dry my natural hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave any video suggestions that you have for me in the comment section. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.